শুনতে পারবে।
Since more than 10 years and got a lot of fans, and we're really excited to perform in front of them. And all the Bengalis, even on social media, whatever we post, they always ask us to come to Dhaka and perform. So I'm really excited and going to be a lot of fun with all the fans.
What would you say for Bangladeshi audience?
You know, as I said, that they are such a great audience, and every time that we came, we had a ball. And we are looking forward that this time it's going to be a bigger, better concert as compared to all the concerts that Jal has done.
How are you enjoying
Well,
about this concert?
well,
What is your feeling about this concert that will be held tomorrow?
so you know that we have been following up with the team and all these people over 2-3 months, and ever since they have announced the poster, all the fans, I mean, they were really excited. So you know, the hype is already there. As I said, whatever I post, even if I write something about weather, all the Bengali fans, they start typing that when are you coming to Bangladesh? And we saw your poster, so we're really excited. And I think I have experienced I've done one of my greatest concerts ever in Bangladesh. And whenever I came here, we had great performances. They remember each and every song, from Adat to Olame to Dilhare to Ek Arzu, Sun Sarkar, Panchi. So I'm excited that whenever while saying, they will also sing along, and we are going to have some amazing. We've planned a lot of things for them. We've planned a very nice unplugged medley just for the Bengali fans and for this concert. So hope for the best. I hope that they will also enjoy.
What would you say your first album, Lamhe album?
Yeah, so you know that it's been more than 20 years that we released Adat. Now that's great news for all the fans that Adat album is available on all the digital platforms, and it's been more than 20 years to Jal. So after 20 years, this is going to be the first concert that we're coming here and performing.
What's your next project? This is the last.
Well, definitely to go back and produce some new songs as well. We've just released new songs, a new album with the name of Barish. We've released a couple of tracks from that album called, a couple of tracks is like Sun Sarkar, Beh Gaya. So going back and completing and releasing new music for all the fans.
Thank you.
What do you say? What do you say?
Okay, I'll say that, so this is going to be a big blast for Bangladesh as well. The government is here and the entire Jal band is here. So I'm very hopeful that our concert in 27 will be the greatest thing that will happen. Yes. Please say something.
Say something
We're
about
very
this concert
excited.
tomorrow.
We are very excited that after almost more than a decade, Jal, Gaur Bhai and the entire team is here, and we would request all the audiences to come show their love.
Yes, these
Wow.
guys have been working really hard, all of them. So I mean, hats off to you guys, and let's hope for a great gig.